Well, g'day viewers. First, apologies, I can't fit in the frame. I'm doing this on my kitchen bench, so I have limited space. What I want to talk about today is harmonic balancers and fluid dampers. Now, this here is a fluid damper that I am replacing my harmonic balancer, which is the stock component, obviously. And I also have a billeted pulley wheel. Now, what I'm going to do here is when I replace them, and the reason I'm replacing them is in this section through here is a thin rubber, vulcanized rubber between an inner and outer steel component on the standard or stock buddy harmonic balancer. Now, just like my 4-litre inline sixes that I was running with my Falcons, they're prone to fail, and when they fail, they really do. If you get out without buddy breaking the crankshaft, you're doing very well. And so I don't want to position myself doing that, so this is why I'm replacing it. And also on the buddy on this being a billeted wheel, obviously billeted buddy, it's billeted aluminium, by the way. Being billeted means it's one piece, right? And again, it's for the same reason. This is where your belt drives through here. You know, it's your fan belt on your car, right? And the same reason, it has a solid metal core, an outer part which is metal for the fan belt to go on, and an inside vulcanized rubber there. Again, they're also prone to fail, and yeah, you just get buddy the outer ring slipping at a different speed to the inner ring. Again, it's not good for your harmonics of the engine and everything else, which is very important if you want to have a crankshaft stay in one piece. Now, you'll also see on the bottom here, you'll see a little spacer. Now, with this one, right, I'll turn it around that way to try and get the light. With this one here, depending on which model, because on the 6.5 Chev diesels, on the more recent models, they changed the internal part there, and I won't worry about saying what's in there anyway. It doesn't matter what's in there. That will determine as to how long this is. If my standard one is this long, right, it means I use the spacer. If the standard one is this length, it means I don't use the spacer. It's that simple. And if you wonder about things like oil seal, where does the oil seal run for your front main seal? That runs on this part here, so it's nowhere near where these two line up. And these are all press fits anyway onto the crankshaft, so you need to pull it and so forth to push it on. So anyway, so that'll go there. That may go like that together if I require all the parts. And then this part here, you tighten the buddy crankshaft harmonic balancer bolt, right? You tighten that down to 200 foot-pounds by the way, which is about 271 Newton meters of force, which I did check on the conversions. And then you literally just put those two together, and through these holes, they bolt into the holes on the fluid damper or harmonic balancer, whatever you like to call it, and secure it. So you tighten this down to 200 foot-pounds. You then put this down, tighten these 4 bolts down to place. Job done. Too easy. It's a lifetime component. Peace of mind. It's sort of like a little insurance policy. You never have to worry about this thing breaking because it's one piece. Cannot break. Thank you very much, viewers.